Hi everyone, and welcome back to your favorite yoga and Ayurveda channel. Today, we're setting our sights on eye health. Whether you spend hours glued to your computer screen, crave sharper vision for everyday activities, or simply want to take preventative measures, this video is for you. We'll explore 10 powerful ways to improve your eyesight naturally and keep those peepers healthy for years to come. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how to see the world a little bit clearer. 1. Get enough key vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, C, and E, as well as the mineral zinc, contain antioxidants that can help prevent macular degeneration. It's a condition in which the macula, the part of the eye that controls central vision, deteriorates. Food sources for these important nutrients include a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits such as carrots, red peppers, broccoli and leafy vegetables, strawberries, sweet potato, citrus, fish, seeds, nuts. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and flaxseed are also recommended for better eye health. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that has been shown to slow the progression of macular degeneration. 2. Don't forget the carotenoids. A few other nutrients are also keys to improving eyesight. Among them are lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids found in the retina. You can also find them in leafy green vegetables, broccoli, zucchini, and eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin can also be taken in supplement form. These carotenoids help protect the macula by improving pigment density in that part of the eye and absorbing ultraviolet and blue light. 3. Zinc, when combined with certain antioxidants, is shown to protect against the progression of AMD and is also important in maintaining retina health. Foods rich in zinc include almonds, cashews, beans, oysters, chickpeas, and dark poultry meat. And RDA of zinc in adults is 11 milligrams a day for men and 8 milligrams a day for women. 4. Stay fit. Yes, exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can help your eyes, not just your waistline. Type 2 diabetes, which is more common in people who are overweight or obese, can cause damage to the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. This condition is called diabetic retinopathy. Trusted source. Too much sugar circulating in your bloodstream injures the delicate walls of your arteries. Diabetic retinopathy causes the very small arteries in your retina, the light-sensitive back part of the eye, to leak blood and fluid into the eye, harming your vision. Getting your blood sugar levels checked regularly and staying fit and trim can lower your odds of developing type 2 diabetes and its many complications. 4. Manage chronic conditions. Diabetes isn't the only disease that can affect your vision. Other conditions. Trusted source, such as high blood pressure and multiple sclerosis, can affect your eyesight. These conditions are linked to chronic inflammation, which can harm your health from head to toe. Inflammation of the optic nerve, for example, can cause pain and even complete vision loss. While a disease such as multiple sclerosis can't be prevented, you can try to manage it with healthy habits and medications. High blood pressure can be effectively treated with a heart-healthy diet, exercise, and antihypertensive medications. 5. Wear protective eyewear. Whether you're playing racquetball, working in your garage, or doing a science experiment in school, it's vital that you protect your eyes with appropriate eyewear. Tough, protective eyewear is essential if there is a risk of chemicals, sharp objects, or materials, such as wood shavings, metal shards, or even a stray elbow during a basketball game, entering your eye. Many protective goggles, trusted source, are made with a type of polycarbonate, which is about 10 times tougher than other forms of plastic. 6. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Your eyes work hard during the day and need a break now and then. The strain can be especially intense if you work at a computer for long stretches at a time. To ease the strain, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Trusted source. That means every 20 minutes, you should stop staring at your computer and look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 7. Quit smoking. You know smoking is bad for your lungs and your heart, not to mention your hair, skin, teeth, and just about every other body part. That includes your eyes too. Smoking dramatically raises your risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Fortunately, your eyes, lungs, heart, and other body parts can start to recover from years of tobacco-induced harm within the first hours of quitting. And the longer you can avoid cigarettes, the more your blood vessels will benefit and inflammation will ease off throughout your eyes and the rest of you. 8. Red eyes. What are red eyes? Red eyes are the result of the expansion of very fine blood vessels in the surface membrane of the whites of the eyes, which creates the appearance of red-tinged or pink eyes. Common symptoms and side effects of red eyes include red, hypervascular, inflamed and itchy eyes, says Marjan Farid, MD, Professor of Ophthalmology at University of California, Irvine. The inflammation of the surface of the eyes can cause swelling of the eyelids as well in some cases. What causes red eyes? According to Dr. Anita Chahar, there are many potential causes for red or bloodshot eyes, including dry eyes, infections, allergies, and lifestyle factors like contact lens overwear. The most common temporary cause of red eyes is dryness from looking at screens for extended periods of time, says Brian Boxer Wackler, MD, the medical director of the Boxer Wackler Vision Institute in Beverly Hills, California, and a staff physician at Los Angeles Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. We blink 30% less when we're focusing on computers and phones, which dries the eyes out, he explains. Dry eye is usually accompanied by irritation, a sense that something is touching the eye or grittiness, adds Dr. Chahar. Red eyes may also be caused by conjunctivitis, which is the swelling or inflammation of the thin vascular layer that covers the whites of the eye, called the sclera. When conjunctivitis occurs as a result of an infection, also known as pink eye, it may be accompanied by malaise and a general sense of feeling unwell, explains Dr. Farid, who adds that the leading cause of this type of conjunctivitis is typically viral. Wearing contact lenses for longer than recommended can also cause red eyes or mechanical conjunctivitis, which is due to eye stress caused by an irritant in the eye that is not infectious, according to Dr. Chahar. Lastly, lifestyle factors, including increased dryness with age, dehydration, lack of sleep, alcohol consumption, and smoking, can cause red eyes. Stay hydrated. Dr. Anita Chahar, MD, recommends monitoring your hydration levels to ensure your eyes don't become dry and red due to a lack of water consumption. Eyes have a high water content and unique fluid regulation system, so staying hydrated is essential for eye health. Avoid red eye drops. It's best to avoid eye drops that reduce redness in the eyes by constricting blood vessels, says Dr. Chahar. These drops can mask the underlying cause of red eyes and also cause a temporary worsening of red eyes when you stop using them, she explains. Take screen time breaks. Excessive screen use can increase the risk of eye dryness, leading to both redness and discomfort, according to Dr. Anita Chahar. We tend to blink much less when using a screen, so tears don't get replenished frequently enough, causing desiccation of the front surface of the eyes, she explains. Additionally, here are a few Ayurvedic and yoga tips to improve your eyesight naturally. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, offers a holistic approach to eye health. Diet, eye-nourishing foods. Ayurveda emphasizes consuming foods that nourish the eyes and balance the doshas, energies in the body. Include plenty of leafy greens, rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, like kale, spinach, and colored greens. Ghee, a clarified butter with lubricating properties, promoting eye moisture. Fruits, sweet fruits like grapes and melons, and cooling fruits like cucumber to balance pit trataka. Gazing steadily at a flame, like a ghee lamp, in a dark room for a short period. Blinking exercises, rapidly blinking your eyes followed by gentle side-to-side rolling movements. Nasya, nasal drops. Instilling medicated oils like black cumin seed oil or anu phalang, herbal oil blend, through the nostrils can help clear excess doshas from the head and potentially benefit eye health. However, this practice should be done under the guidance of an Ayurvedic practitioner. While these practices are generally safe, consulting with a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner is crucial. Before starting any new treatments, especially Netra-Kriya Kalpa or using Nasya, they can assess your individual needs and recommend the most suitable practices for your specific situation. Remember, Ayurveda emphasizes a holistic approach. Let me know in the comments below what eye care tips you swear by and which Ayurvedic product you use on a daily basis. Every Friday, we bring new video on yoga and health. Subscribe and click on notification bell to alert you on new updates. Thanks for joining us today.